Hi, I'm Fujimura, Chief Product Officer at Element 451. We are the leading provider of AI agents for higher education. But what is an AI agent anyway? Imagine I'm a higher ed recruiter. My job is to reach out to thousands of students and get them excited about my institution. There's plenty of software that can help me do this, like a CRM. But even with great software, nobody has enough time to do all the work they wish they could do. So what if instead of me using software to do the work, I had software that could do a lot of the work for me? That's an AI agent. Software that does real work on your behalf, just like a teammate would. Agents use AI as their brain. They're coded to have a goal, knowledge, and access to data. They're programmed with certain actions they can take, and they make their own decisions about what to do to reach their goal. Now, there are lots of platforms that allow you to make agents, but most of them are really complicated, require lots of integrations, or even custom coding. We know you don't have time for that, so we've coded our agents as higher ed experts with access to our full CRM core. They do real work with minimal setup that requires no technical expertise. I just have to log into Element 451, describe what I need done, and the software does the rest, 24/7 until the job is done. Let me show you. I'm going to ask an agent to reach out to STEM students and invite them to apply. The agent gives me an outline, and it asks me a few simple questions. Let's choose Rebecca to do this work. In just a few seconds, our agent has created what we call a job. A job is just a way that I provide instructions to an agent about the work that I need done. The agent has already enrolled a few contacts and has thought about what it wants to do to reach out to them. Here, I'll add one more contact, which has my phone number on it, so I can show you what our voice calling feature looks like. Looks like I'm getting the call now.
Hi, Allison. This is Rebecca, AI recruiter from Element University. I wanted to personally invite you to start an application for the physics program.
What are the admission requirements?
Good question. You'll need to complete the online application, submit official high school transcripts, 2 letters of recommendation, a personal statement of 500 to 650 words, and pay a $75 application fee. Anything specific you'd like to know more about?
My dad's here and he only speaks Japanese. Could you explain that in Japanese?
承知しました。ではお父様に日本語でご説明しますね。
Recruiting is just the start. We have agents to drive your marketing efforts, your admissions process, and to support your current students. Soon we'll have agents to drive continuing ed enrollment and cultivate great alumni relationships. Now, agents are amazing at doing a lot of work very quickly, but they don't have the wisdom, experience, and intuition that you do. The best results come from teamwork between agents and staff. That's why agents need to work within software that allows experts like you to see what their agents are doing, give them clear guidance and guardrails, and intervene whenever you want. We call that type of software an AI workforce platform, and that's what Element 451 is for higher ed. Our agents put core higher ed jobs on autopilot. You decide where you're headed, but you don't need to turn the steering wheel anymore. AI agents are the future of software, and we're proud to be the leading provider of AI agents for higher ed.